Welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, I will be teaching you algebra. This is going to be our part 2, and in this case, we are going to take the complicated algebra. So where the values of some letters are given and you are expected to express the magnitude of which the letter exists in the algebra equation given to you. So let's get into the business. Algebra part 2. So the question says, when k is equals to minus 3, m is equal to 1, and n is equal to minus 4, find Roman figure 1, k squared, open bracket 2m plus n cube. So how do I get this done? Let us continue to solve it down. K has a value minus 3, so we say minus 3 all squared, minus 3 all squared, into the bracket 2 multiplied by m is just 1, plus n is now minus 4 into 3, or let's say cubed. So minus 3 squared, that will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Minus times minus gives plus, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 9, open bracket, 2 times 1 is 2, plus now minus 4 in 3 places. So that will be minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Let's deal with the minus that is attached to the 4. Minus times minus, that will be plus. Now plus times minus, that will be minus. So meaning that our final magnitude will have a negative sign, minus. So that will be minus. Now 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So we have 64. Now we have 9, open bracket, 2. So 9, we have 2. Plus times minus, because we have plus and minus standing by each other, so we should multiply. Plus times minus will be minus 64. So 9 to multiply 2 minus 64. So this will be minus 62. Why? Because bigger number is subtracted from smaller number, so it will be negative. So 9 multiplied by minus 62. 9 times 2, 18. Remainder 1. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. So that will be 55. And the minus is still there. So our final answer for this is minus 558. Minus 558. Let's take example number 2. Roman figure 2 says, find k plus m plus n all over k squared plus m squared plus n squared. So to solve this down the board, let's put in the value of k, m, and n. K is minus 3 plus m is 1 plus n is minus 4. So for the sake of the sign, you bracket it to demarcate. Then k squared, that will be minus 3 all squared, plus m is 1 squared, plus n is minus 4 all squared. So down the board, we have minus 3 plus 1. Minus times plus gives minus 4 all over minus 3 squared, that's minus times minus, give plus 3 times 3 is 9. So this will be 9 plus 1 squared is 1. Now, you can't just say plus multiply by minus, because this minus 4 is squared. So you first of all deal with the squared before you can talk about the minus multiplying the plus. So minus 4 squared is 16. So that means we have a plus 16. Had it been that you had multiply minus and plus, you have minus, and then that will be wrong for you. So these are the things we are learning in this simplification of algebra. So this comes to be minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2, minus 2 minus 4 over 9 plus 1, 10, and 10 plus 16. So 10 plus 16. So this becomes minus 6 all over 10 plus 16 is 26. We can further reduce to the lowest term. Is there a common factor? Yes, 2. So this can become minus 3 divided by 13, because 26 divided by 2 is 13. So this is our final answer for Roman figure 2. Let's take another example, example 3. So example 3 says we should find the square root, open bracket, k squared plus m squared